So hello everyone, it's February 6th. We have a new update. I'm doing specific boxes for breeding for my pigeons. I mean, I had already the place for them for breeding, the boxes, but we had an accident. They'll keep fighting. That's the accident. They'll keep fighting, and I had to divide them. 1, 2, 3 so far. Another one for a little bit later. And one of them wanted to lay eggs. And what happened? She couldn't lay eggs over there, inside, in the box. And as a result, she was afraid, and she laid eggs twice sitting here because they will keep attacking her. And that's why I decided I'm going to do, I had it as a plan, but I decided I'm going to do definitely a little doors for them with whiting. So now it's in the season for slowly they're gonna lay eggs. I'm sure they're gonna lay eggs again, but it's sad of her eggs. It broke down. She laid eggs in the wrong place. Here it is. It's sad. So anyways, I have them here for now. They're resting here. Oh, by the way, it's snowing. It started snowing. It snowed last night, all night, and it melted. And now it's snowing again. So I had to finish how fast as possible to be done with that, and put the whiting on these doors and let them inside, feed them, and I'm gonna close them inside so they can be familiar with their own space. So I'll update you guys to my next video. So have a good one. See you later.